Hello again, everyone. Welcome to our Breakaway Seat box break. This is for the 2012-2013 Upper Deck the Cup box break number 16.
Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton.
So number on the tin is NE195159764. That's NE195159764. Good luck, everybody. We start off the Ultimate Collection pack. Got a base of Jonathan Toews, 204 and a 399 for the Blackhawks. We have our autograph Ultimate Rookie for the Rangers of Chris Kreider, 77 and a 99. And the decoy. We have a base card for the Flames of Theoren Fleury, 41 out of 249. And we got a nice hit here. So a patch auto rookie for the Bruins of Torrey Krug, 31 out of 249. Nice looking patch. Next hit is a Emblems of Endorsement, 12 out of 15. It's Team Canada of Marc-Andre Fleury. That card goes to the Penguins. Nice hit for Pittsburgh. And we got an Enshrinement autograph, 28 out of 50 for Dominic Hasek of the Sabres. A gold base of Alexander Burrows, 11 out of 25 for the Canucks. Then to finish off, we have a base jersey, 19 out of 25 for the Red Wings of Henrik Zetterberg. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.